Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Here I am Pooja Shukla and I will teach you chemistry. So we were studying our chapter number 1, that is Introduction to Chemistry. So today we will continue the same chapter, but today we will start our new topic, that is Importance of Chemistry. But before starting this topic we have to take a quick revision. We studied about science. So what is science? Science is the systematic ongoing effort by human beings to study, understand and utilize nature for meaningful purposes. This understanding is slowly developed by careful observations and experiments. Then I told you that science is broadly classified into three main branches, and they are physics, chemistry and biology. So what is chemistry? The branch of science that deals with the study of the composition, physical and chemical properties of various forms of matter is called chemistry. साइंस की वह ब्रांच जिसमें किसी मैटर की वेरियस फॉर्म्स की फिजिकल एंड केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज़ और उसके कंपोजिशन की स्टडी होती है वो है केमिस्ट्री. नाउ today we will start our new topic, that is importance of chemistry. So why chemistry is important for us? Chemistry is very important for us because without chemistry our life is next to impossible. You know what? Chemistry has played a vital role in the progress of mankind. Directly or indirectly, all human activities depends upon the knowledge of chemistry. It finds applications in day-to-day life as well as in industries. Chemicals from simple to complex are used in medicines, cosmetics, textile industries, cleaning agents and agriculture. Means chemistry is very important for us. Chemistry हमारी daily life के लिए तो important है ही, साथ में industries में भी chemistry बहुत important role play करती है. So thousands of useful substances are produced through chemical processes such as soap, detergent, toothpaste, shoe polish, cloths, dyes, plastics, paints, etc. And they all are gift of chemistry. Now we will study importance of chemistry. Chemistry play a very important role in each and every part of our life. So here we will study some major field. They are food and agriculture, food processing and processed food, minerals and petroleum, industry, medicines, cosmetics, clothing, building materials, transport, communication devices, national defense, recreation and chemistry and energy resources. So today we will cover only 6 fields. So let's start. Now we will read it in detail. Food and agriculture. Supply to any society entirely depends on agriculture. Even we all are also dependent on agriculture for our food. So along with the quality of food, it is also important to increase production with increasing population. Means quality is important but we have to maintain quantity also, because अगर हम अच्छी क्वालिटी का फूड अवेलेबल करा रहे हैं तो बहुत अच्छी बात है, बट वी हैव टू मेंटेन क्वांटिटी ऑल्सो. हमें क्वांटिटी का भी ध्यान रखना होगा कि हम हमारी पॉपुलेशन जैसे जैसे इंक्रीज हो रही है उनको सबको हम फूड अवेलेबल करा सकें. सो केमिस्ट्री हैज़ हेल्प्ड farmers by providing them with agrochemicals like fertilizers, pesticides, insecticides and fungicides. So now we will study about them in detail. Fertilizers. So what are fertilizers? Fertilizers are the chemicals which provide essential nutrients to crop and increase their yield. मीन्स फर्टिलाइज़र जो है वो क्रॉप्स को असेंशियल न्यूट्रिएंट्स प्रोवाइड करते हैं और उनकी यील्ड इंक्रीज करते हैं. यील्ड मीन्स उनकी क्वांटिटी इंक्रीज करते हैं, उसका प्रोडक्शन इंक्रीज करते हैं. दे आर ऑब्टेन्ड थ्रू वेरियस केमिकल प्रोसेसेस. द वेल नोन फर्टिलाइजर्स आर यूरिया, सोडियम नाइट्रेट, potash, ammonium phosphate and calcium nitrate. Now pesticides. So what are pesticides? Pesticides are the chemicals used to kill pests which affect the production of crops and fruits. The main pesticides are मेलाथायोन एंड पैराथायोन एंड एल्डरिन. सो पेस्टिसाइड्स जो हैं वो क्रॉप्स में जो पेस्ट होते हैं उनको किल करने का काम करते हैं, जिससे क्रॉप्स का प्रोडक्शन ज़्यादा हो और क्रॉप्स जो हैं वो ख़राब नहीं हो. Now insecticides. So what are insecticides? Insecticides like DDT and BSC are chemicals used to kill insects. Means ये जो हैं ये insects को kill करने के लिए use करते हैं. They are DDT and BSC. DDT, the full form of DDT is dichloro diphenyl trichloroethane and BSC benzene hexachloride. Here you can see they are spraying insecticide in their farm. Now fungicides. So what are fungicides? Borax mixture and sulfur act as fungicides. They protect crops from fungi. ये जो है ये crops को fungi से protect करते हैं. Now preservatives. So preservatives like sodium benzoate, sodium metabisulfate and salicylic acid are used for the preservation of food, and it is also used to know the wastage of the food. So preservatives are very important for us to preserve food for the long time. Now food processing and processed food. So food processing is the transformation of raw food materials by physical or chemical means into marketable food products that can be easily prepared and served to the consumers. Means with the help of chemistry we can convert raw food materials into marketable food products. For that we can use physical methods or chemical methods like tinned vegetables, bread, jams, jelly, butter and snacks and soft drinks are the marketable food products. So we can convert raw food materials into marketable food products. Now the third one, minerals and petroleum. Knowledge gained through chemistry has helped us in the developing method for the extraction of different metals from their ores and minerals. As you know that metals are not present in their pure state, so we have to separate them from their ores. So what are ores? Ores, when two or more than two metals and non-metals are mixed with each other, then they form ores. So with the help of chemistry we can separate metals from their ores. These metals are used in the manufacture of different kinds of machines and tools. Now petroleum. Petroleum products like petrol, diesel, kerosene, wax, paraffin are separated from crude oil with the help of chemical techniques. So what is crude oil? Crude oil is the base for different products. So with the help of chemistry we can separate petrol, diesel, kerosene, paraffin, wax from crude oil. Now industry. So chemistry has helped in the growth of different industries. It has enabled us to improve the efficiency of industrial processes. So industries are set up to produce a large number of consumers products like dyes, drugs, paints, pharmaceuticals, steel, alloy, textiles, etc. There are several industries are present by which we can get products, and with the help of chemistry we can enhance production as well as we can improve quality of products. So the development of these products and many more naturally or artificially has made human survival possible on the earth. And preparation of common salt from seawater and sugar from sugarcane juice is only possible with the help of physical and chemical processes. Now medicines. Chemistry has played a very important role in the field of medicines also. Extensive research by chemists have led to the discovery of a number of medicinal drugs. These drugs help in fighting diseases and have thus increased the lifespan of human beings, like aspirin, paracetamol and antibiotics like penicillin, tetracycline, antiseptics and various other medicines used to kill germs and cure diseases. Now cosmetics. Cosmetics are the product used to cleanse, protect and change the appearance of external parts of human bodies. Like we all use cosmetics and it became a part of our life. Like talcum powder, lotions, perfumes, soaps, and baby products all are examples of cosmetics. So it is possible to convert various ingredients into usable cosmetic due to knowledge of chemistry. So it is also a gift from chemistry to us. And now, do you know, talcum powder is made up of a mineral called talc, which contains elements like magnesium, silicon, and oxygen. Now, I think you know very well about the contribution of chemistry. So, here I am giving you a question. What is the contribution of chemistry in the following fields? They are cosmetics, medicines, industries. Now, second, define fertilizers and pesticides. So, complete these questions first. We will meet again. Bye and take care.